Hello student, today we will do question number 9 from exercise test yourself from chapter 3 Concise Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Question is, a man invested rupees this. So investment is rupees 45,000. In 15% rupees nominal value of one share equal to rupees 100. Market value equal to rupees 125. Number of shares then 5,000 divided by 125. 5, 9, 25, 5, 360 number of shares. And dividend on one share is rupees 15. When the market value of these shares rose to this, he sold some shares just enough to raise 8,400 new market value equal to rupees 140. And enough to raise this total SP rupees 8,400. So number of shares sold 800 divided by 140 means 60 shares he had sold. So question number 1 is the number of shares he still holds, means 360 was total share minus 60 is equal to 300 shares. 300 shares he still holds. The dividend due to him on these remaining share. So dividend then on one share dividend is rupees 15. So dividend on remaining shares, total dividend on a remaining share. equal to 300 multiply 15 means rupees 4500. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.